In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI, and we'll cover everything you need to know in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned user, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to effectively utilize this powerful tool. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. It doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Perplexity AI is versatile and works seamlessly across all major browsers. Once your browser is up and running, the next step is to head over to the Perplexity AI website. Simply type the URL directly into the address bar, or if you've been there before, allow your browser to auto-complete the address for you. Once you're on the site, you're just a few steps away from diving into its features. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in using your existing credentials. For those who are new, you'll find an option to create a new account easily. It's a straightforward process that involves providing a few basic details. Once you're logged in, you're greeted with options to start exploring Perplexity AI's capabilities. It's much like organizing your digital workspace. Now, let's talk about threads. You have the option to create a new thread or open an existing one. Think of threads as individual projects or discussions where you can gather all related questions and answers in one place, making it easier to manage your inquiries. If you're starting fresh, create a new thread where your journey with Perplexity AI can begin. If you're returning to a previous topic, simply select the appropriate thread to pick up where you left off. With your thread ready, it's time to type in your prompt or question. This is where Perplexity AI truly shines. Whether you have a specific question or a general topic, type it in as clearly as possible. Be concise yet descriptive to help the AI understand your query and generate relevant responses. Perplexity AI is designed to handle a wide range of inquiries, so don't hesitate to ask anything you're curious about. As you navigate through your inquiry, you may want to ask follow-up questions or seek clarifications on the responses you receive. This is a crucial step in ensuring you get the most out of your interaction with the AI. Feel free to delve deeper into topics, refine your questions, or explore related areas of interest. The key is to engage actively with the tool, allowing you to maximize the depth and breadth of information you can gather. And there you have it. You now know how to use Perplexity AI to its fullest potential. By being familiar with these steps, you can harness the power of this innovative AI to discover insights, get answers, and enhance your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough both informative and helpful.